Billy Brownmouse won't go to sleep. Yum yum. It was early evening and Billy Brownmouse was enjoying his supper. His teddy bear, Stilton, was waiting for him to finish. Stilton didn't eat supper. Mmm, said Billy Bee, licking his whiskers. Cream cheese is my very favorite. He looked into his empty bowl. What a pity, it's all gone. It was time for bed. Billy Bee changed into his special smiley moon night shirt. Oof, he said, as he struggled to put it on. It was getting a bit tight for him now. Stilton sat patiently by the bed. He didn't wear a nightshirt. Oof! Plink. Next, Billy Bee had to clean his teeth. He brushed them carefully up and down, up and down. He said, this toothpaste tastes delicious. Stilton leaned against the toothpaste tube. He didn't have any teeth to clean. Then Billy Bee washed his face and paws and scrubbed his whiskers. At last he was ready for bed. Billy Bee snuggled down under his thick warm quilt with Stilton beside him. Mama, he called, I'm ready. Will you read me a story? I'd like a nice scary story, please. Tucked up in bed with Stilton at his side and the light on, Billy Bee felt very brave. Mama Brown Mouse came and sat by Billy's bed and opened the book of bedtime stories. Once upon a time, she began. But before Mama Brown Mouse reached the end of the story, she began to yawn and close the book. That's enough for now, she said. You must go to sleep. But what happens next? Asked Billy. Does the hero escape? What happens to the big bad cat? Not now, Billy Bee, said his mama. I'll finish it tomorrow. Sweet dreams. Mama Brown Mouse kissed Billy Bee good night and went off to get ready for bed. But Billy Bee wasn't at all sleepy, and after a while he got out of bed. Come on, Stilton, he said. Let's go and find Mama. Mama? Billy's mama and papa were already in bed. Mama Brown Mouse was reading a book, but Papa Brown Mouse was asleep. He had to get up early in the morning. Mama, said Billy Bee, I'm thirsty. May I have a drink, please? Stilton, of course, never needed a drink. Glug glug. After finishing a whole bottle of milk, Billy went back to bed. He lay for a while staring up at the ceiling. Lying in bed is very boring, Stilton, he said. Nothing interesting ever happens. Billy Bee didn't want to go to sleep. He picked up Stilton and went back to his Mama and Papa's room. Mama Brown Mouse had put her book away and had switched off the light. Papa Brown Mouse was sound asleep and snoring lightly, his whiskers vibrating with each snore. Mama, whispered Billy Bee, why do I have to go to sleep? It's such a waste of time. Mama yawned and got out of bed. She picked up Billy Bee and carried him over to the window. Mama? Look outside, Billy, she said. The sun has gone to bed and it's very dark, so that little mice and other creatures of the day can sleep and rest, and maybe dream of good things. Then in the morning they will wake up happy and ready for a new day. So Billy Bee went back to bed and was soon fast asleep and dreaming. Billy Bee dreamed he and Stilton were jumping up and down on a huge slice of tasty cheese. All around them were marvelous toys and delicious things to eat. He and Stilton had a wonderful time. Yippee! The sun streamed into Billy Bee's room next morning and woke him up. It was a lovely day. Come on, Stilton, he said, jumping out of bed. It's a great day. I can't wait to tell my friends at nursery school all about my wonderful dream. What a good job. We went to sleep after all.